market. It's called MediMiracle. We're going to be talking to CEO of BioSolutions, Dr. Peters, and his associate, Dr. Schmidt. So, Dr. Peters, let's start with you.
Well, initially I was a neurosurgeon. I wanted to help patients deal with muscular function due to stroke and other various nervous system injuries. I wanted to come up with a medical device that helped people who suffer from these injuries live a normal everyday life. At a conference, I met doctor and scientist Dr. Schmidt, and we opened up a lab in Germany.
Germany, that's amazing. Thank you, doctor. And you know what? I have your product right here, MediMiracle, and I'd love for you to explain this to us.
Well, I'm not the first one to use structural electrical stimulation. In fact, in the 1600s, a Netherlands guy named John Swammerham made a frog leg contract like this by inducing electrical current via scissor into the frog's legs. And today, 400 years later, we have this nice little product which has electrodes that penetrate, have electrical stimulation that penetrate through your skin into your nervous system that excites your muscle and causes it to contract. Thereby, you gain immense function, not only in endurance but also in resistance training. And it even helps to improve your metabolism, to have more glucose tolerance. So it's a cool thing.
No, it's amazing. And thank you, Dr. Peters. Thank you, Dr. Schmidt. So you know what? I've heard that you guys have had a lot of success stories and some great patients. So we're going to hear about Brianne's success right now.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to?
So I'm here with Brianne Morgan, world champion equestrian, and of course MediMiracle's first patient and success story. So tell us your story, Brianne.
Well, I love horses, I love riding, but I had a really horrible accident. I fell off of my horse and I actually ended up hitting my head so hard that my neck was broken, and I actually lost complete range, like all function in this arm. I couldn't use it at all, and it's my right arm, so it was horrible. I couldn't ride anymore, and I honestly thought my dreams were gone. Like, I couldn't drive, I'm right-handed, so anyway, I'm so astonished at what I can do now. MediMiracle truly saved my life. I'm so grateful to Dr. Peters for coming up with this product. I have regained full functionality in my entire arm. I can move it, I can ride again.
So you wouldn't believe what MediMiracle did next. I'm here with Dr. Katie, a veterinarian at the Glendale Gateway Veterinarian Hospital. So, Dr. Katie, tell me, what did BioSolutions do for you?
Well, I met with Dr. Peters, and we thought maybe we could do it with our animals.
That's amazing.
Watch this, it's wireless.
I gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify, come up in the spot.
I use this on all my immobile dogs. Look at them now.
This is amazing. A look at MediMiracle at work again. I want to thank all of my guests today, including Dr. Peters, and this is Camille signing off. Bye, y'all. MediMiracle!